So this is round 3 of these biscuits. So I have my little recipe here. Here we go. I've been wanting to do that because that's what YouTube is all about, is being able to do this. Stop talking and go ahead and do this. So the first thing is 4 cups of flour. Now don't judge me. I don't have my flour in a pretty container, y'all, because I just don't want stuff getting stale. I don't bake. So I'm thinking, you know, if I'm not using it, it's going to go bad. But you can't think like that. I'm going to cut this top off because I know I won't be able to reach down in there. So I'm going to cut that off. I have all-purpose flour. One of the things that I was trying to, do is make sure I wanted self-rising flour, but we are in the South. Oh, y'all, my Southern accent came. Okay, so that means that these biscuits are gonna be good. These biscuits are gonna be good. One of the things my fella told me I needed to do, because his mama did it, is sift the flour. So I'm not going to do that. However, I am going to whisk all of my ingredients together. So I'll just go ahead and just keep it down here on it so that you can see it. So now I need to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So this is 1 teaspoon. Okay, hopefully y'all see that, 1 teaspoon. So I have that, and then now I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon. Okay, and if you're wondering where I got my little the little spoons and stuff, all this is IKEA, y'all. I love me some IKEA. Oh my goodness, y'all. My family knows. I could have a whole house full of IKEA furniture. Everybody think I'm always moving out because of it. All right, so that's 1.5. These my accent, my Southern accent. These biscuits gonna be so good, y'all. These are gonna be so good. So I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So then now, and I am putting in 4 tablespoons of that. So I'm going to level this off as well. With 4, I'm going to go ahead and put that back, the lid back onto that. And now we're going to move on to now some sugar, okay? And that's 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yep. 1 teaspoon. It gives it a little sweet taste. Y'all, don't ask me why my fella got. He did not take this. He didn't take this from a restaurant, y'all. I promise you. He just likes it. I don't know. I guess he think he had the diner in it as well. Okay. Because he kept saying I should add sugar because his mama put sugar in it. So now this is where we are going to kind of whisk it together to combine everything. And again, they said, you know, you don't want to do it too. I'm doing it very gently. Y'all just know, I mean, this is challenge of the bacon, but I am determined because these biscuits are giving me a run for my money. A run for my money. Alright, so the recipe now calls for 2 sticks of cold butter. Flour. Add the butter. Add the flour. So that's all I did was I cut it up. As you can see, cut it up pretty good. I'm dropping it. Alright. Oh, Lord Jesus. It went in as a clump. Okay. Y'all know you serious when you call on the Lord when you making stuff. I had to get something for my hands because my hands were just kind of. So now, one of the women just said to just kind of take your time, gently, just crumble it up. And just crumble it up. You don't want to do too much to it. so that it doesn't melt so quickly. I guess that's what it is. I have now, you know, really combined that butter as best as possible. There's no large chunks, and I think I got it throughout the whole entire amount of flour. Okay, so basically it looks like this. I know it's hard to see, I'm sorry, but here you go. It looks like that. It looks just like the flowers. It's not, you know, it's pretty good. I have to add in 2 cups of buttermilk. Hole in the center, okay, just a little hole in the center, and that's pretty much where the milk is gonna go. And they said, so that's 2 cups. So I'm gonna shake this a bit. Now, some people had said don't get, you know, make sure you get whole buttermilk and this, that, and the third. But I'm gonna tell you right now, depending on where you live, you may not be able to find that. Yeah, you may not be able to find it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and combine it. And they say you don't want to do too much to it because you don't want to take the air out or whatever. I don't know. But yesterday my batter was just too dry. So, oh, the other thing that I did way wrong was I put too much flour on the stuff. So it's only supposed to be almost like a pinch of flour down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and, oh Jesus. Y'all, told y'all when you call on Jesus, you know you cooking. Look at that, look at that. Okay, let's get all of it the best we can. Okay. Okay. Now. And what I'm going to do now is, so basically what I was supposed to do is just put a little bit of flour on the top of it, and that's to kind of bring it together. And that's what I'm doing now. Okay. All right. When they did it, it didn't. I don't know, y'all. Oh no. That's the dough now, y'all. All right. So I don't want them too thick. One thing that they say to do is make sure that you do that. Let's see. They're just not holding it together. They're gonna be too thick. Oh, I don't want them so thick. Oof. That. It's so thick. Oh my gosh. I don't know, y'all. Get ready to find out. Oh my goodness, they just kind of not doing so good here. Do this. I think it's just too moist. Too moist. I don't know. I guess moist is good. I don't know. The rate I'm going, I don't know. Because they're not coming out like these, like, they round though. I can't complain about the roundness. 119, and I am putting these in an oven. These are supposed to stay in here for 18 to 20 minutes. I'll be back with you in 18, 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess up. I did not realize how hard this was. I should have had on an apron because I think it would have helped. I think it would have helped me. Check these biscuits real quick. So I'm gonna turn on the light because my fella told me not to open up the door. Oh, okay. They doing something. So right now, it is now 1:25, okay? So I need to be taking these out around 1:40, I would say. So we're gonna come back at that time. Rising, y'all. Not bad. All right, y'all. I took the biscuits out. They are very, very light. So what I did was, this time I didn't pour the butter on top of them. I actually used the little baster that I have from Pampered Chef that I had from years ago. And I melted some butter and I put that on it. So I'm watching it right now because I don't want them to burn. I'm afraid. I really don't want them to burn. Y'all hear the concern in my voice, right? My fella, he came downstairs. He said, he was like, it smells good. It smells good. So that's a good thing. And he didn't say they don't smell like his mama. So, y'all, I might have some. All right, my fella told me I needed to take them out. And because I put them back in to brown, but listen, they're just not brown enough for me. I want the brown at the top. It's not understanding. Minute for me, 2 more seconds.
Good.
Take them out. He said they're good, y'all. All right, y'all. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna kind of not horrible, but there you go. He said they actually tear apart. He can ready to eat them with some jelly. I told y'all he put jelly on everything. So, all right. Thank you. It looks like, okay, I still have work to do, but I don't think I need to try it again to make it better. I think I'm going to stick with this recipe. I will put all of the ingredients in my description box below, all right? And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All right, leave in the comments below another recipe that you think I should try, because remember, I'm on this baking journey. So leave in the comments below. I know for a fact that German chocolate cake, I know my fella likes German chocolate cake, so I am gonna try German chocolate cake. But please leave in the comments below another recipe that you think that I should try that might be pretty easy for someone that's a non-baker. All right, and don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.